Hi there. My name is Dr. Jin Eslami. I'm a board certified periodontist and I practice in Orange County, California. Today, I'd like to speak with you about dental implants. What are the two things you need to know about dental implants before you move forward? Well, the first thing is make sure whichever practitioner you're seeing that they do a 3D imaging. 3D imaging is the standard of care for any implant. Secondly, what the 3D imaging is going to do is going to allow us to see if the bone quality, quantity, thickness, height, width, length is all adequate enough for your dental implant. The second thing is make sure that your practitioner does a full mouth dental exam. They may even refer you to a periodontist to make sure that there is no active gum disease. If there is active gum disease, as you know, gum disease travels. So it could move from this area, even though you're getting an implant all the way over here, it could affect your implant. So you definitely want to make sure you have a healthy, sound mouth to be able to get an implant that's going to last you a long time.